Hi my love, so here is the tutorial on how to switch your yarn. You know when your yarn is about to finish and you just have to pick up another yarn to complete it. So instead of tying off, switching just like that, just pull out your yarn like this, then cross it over to the other side of your finished yarn like this, then continue your work. See, this idea came to my mind and I decided to share it, so why not? At least, so just continue your work like that. No rough work, no patches, nothing. Just continue your work like that. You are good to go. And when you are done with your work, just cut your yarn. This is how to flatten your pointed knot actually. So press it down. Once you cut, just press it down like this. Flip your work to the other side. Pick out one yarn out like this, then tie it twice, 2 times. One time, then another time to make it 2 times. Then flip your work and you're good to go. See, it's flattened already and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.